Welcome, drama enthusiasts, to TV season and spoilers. If you thought last week was intense, brace yourselves for the explosive revelations and heart-stopping drama unfolding in the bold and the beautiful for the week of January 29, 2024. It's a whirlwind of romance, mystery, and high stakes that you simply can't miss. This week, our beloved characters in the glamorous world of fashion and power are set to face challenges that will test their love, reveal shocking truths, and perhaps change their lives forever. Let's start with Bill, the magnet with a heart that beats fiercely for Poppy. As they rekindle their romance, a twist in the tale looms. The paternity question about Luna is a ticking time bomb ready to explode at any moment. Picture that Luna's quest to discover her real father could unravel Bill and Poppy's love story. The possibility of Bill being Luna's biological father puts everything at stake. Will Poppy's feelings waver under Finnegan's influence? The suspense is unbearable. As Luna grapples with this family puzzle, we wonder, will she confront Bill or secretly confirm their biological connection? And let's not overlook RJ's role. His subtle suggestions might just ignite a firestorm in Luna's heart, driving her towards unexpected actions. Amidst this turmoil, Xandi's love for Luna shines like a beacon in the night. His unwavering pursuit is filled with hope and determination. Xandi's tactics to win over Luna, while thwarting RJ's advances, are a testament to the lengths one will go for love. Every move Xandi makes brings him closer to Luna's heart, but with RJ in the picture, the love triangle intensifies, promising drama that will leave you at the edge of your seat. Let's shift our gaze to Hope and Thomas. Their relationship is at a pivotal juncture. The enchanting moments they share are laced with hints of a deeper commitment. Could this be the moment where Hope decides to fully embrace a future with Thomas? As they navigate their feelings, Steffy and Finn's reflections on their own love story cast a shadow. What seemed like an unbreakable bond is now shrouded in uncertainty. This complexity adds a thrilling layer to the narrative tapestry of the bold and the beautiful. And then there's Sheila, the calm before the storm is about to break. And Sheila is at the helm of the impending chaos. Her next moves are shrouded in secrecy, but one thing is clear, they're going to be disruptive and potentially destructive. The excitement around Sheila and Deacon's storyline is palpable. Their actions will send ripples through the lives of everyone in the bold and the beautiful. So there you have it, our beloved fans. A week filled with passion, mystery, and unexpected turns awaits in the bold and the beautiful. These spoilers are just the tip of the iceberg, so stay tuned for the unraveling of these captivating stories. Don't forget to follow TV season and spoilers for your daily dose of drama and insider info. And remember, the most exciting stories are the ones yet to be told. Until next time, keep the passion for drama burning.